Concerns over new health care coverage. Some Floridians who signed up say they can't even go to the doctor yet.
Good evening, I'm Brendan McLaughlin.
And I'm Linda Hurtado. Coverage took effect January 1st for more than 2 million people who signed up for plans under the Affordable Health Care Act.
Yeah, but some of them right here in the Bay Area told our Taking Action reporter Jackie Calloway the policies they paid for got them no closer to a doctor's office, so she's taking action. Jackie?
That's right. I've heard from multiple viewers in recent weeks, and they all have pretty much the same gripe. They utilized the Affordable Health Care Act to buy a policy, but then could not actually get health care.
My coverage.
Computer programmer Chris Litchfeld, like so many others, took advantage of government-subsidized insurance. He signed up for a policy with Blue Cross Blue Shield, now called Florida Blue.
Everything's a $10 copay.
Chris bought the Cadillac of plans and paid the $500 monthly premium. Then he set up doctor's appointments for January.
When did you realize that there was a crack in your insurance?
I do not have coverage. If the provider has the capability of going in and searching for people, I'm not available inside the system.
And he's got company. Florida Blue's Facebook page reads like one giant consumer rant with dozens of posts from people who claim they bought policies but don't exist in the provider's system as enrollees.
It's an injustice to me as a consumer.
Last week, Florida Blue responded to our inquiries saying member ID cards would be out within a week. In this email, a spokesperson stated, "We have added staff to work these applications and have extended service hours both in our call centers and at all of our 18 retail center locations throughout the state."
And I was wondering if I could make an appointment to see a primary care physician.
Steve Costanzo also went through Obamacare for a policy, but he chose a Humana Connect plan. In Steve's case, he had coverage, but no doctor, it seemed, would take it.
Story was the same with every office that I called. Oh, I'm sorry, we're not taking any new patients.
Steve claims he tried more than 50 doctors between December and early January using Humana's provider list, but could not get an appointment.
Some of the clinics indicated to me, no, we're not taking any new patients for the first quarter.
After hearing from Steve and others regarding Humana Connect, I emailed the insurer. One day later, a spokesperson said they were adding providers and that one of their key medical groups had begun accepting patients. The statement goes on to say that that group, JSA Healthcare, is now accepting Humana HMO Exchange Health Plan members.
Hi, Kim. I'm just calling to confirm my appointment for February 26th at 3 o'clock. My last name is Costanzo.
Days later, Steve was able to get an appointment within minutes of his Dunedin home with a doctor who had refused to see him before.
They realized that they had a problem that wasn't going to go away.
Again, Humana says JSA, their main health care provider in the Bay Area, should have begun taking appointments on January 1st. And again, Florida Blue says it is mailing out ID cards this week. Humana has released a tip sheet with their increased and expanded list of providers. I've posted it on my Facebook page. Just go to Action News Jackie and click like, or shoot me an email and I'll respond. Jackie at abcactionnews.com.
Thank you, Jackie.